Hello, my name is Dr. Sarah Heath and I'm a veterinary specialist in behavioural medicine. And in this video I'm going to be talking to you about the CALM programme and specifically about the letter C. So each letter stands for a part of this 4-step programme, and C stands for creating emotional stability. So having emotional stability sets an individual up for success, not only in the context of being alone, but throughout life. And anxiety is related to a low level of self-confidence. So we need to look at the dog's behaviour not only when they're alone, but also when they have people with them and when they're in a range of different contexts. If an individual can make good decisions and can be emotionally stable, they're much more likely to be able to cope with the novel situation of being alone. So they need to be able to interact effectively with people and with dogs and all sorts of novel situations. Remember that dogs are socially obligate. That means that they need company. They need to be around others. And therefore, being alone is something they need to learn about. It's not something that necessarily is going to come naturally. So creating emotional stability is a really important part of preventing and also dealing with separation-related problems. So how do we create emotional stability? The main clue here is for the dog to be able to make good decisions when they're on their own. And in order to start this process, we need to reward the dog for being settled and calm when they do have company. So if your puppy or adult dog goes onto a mat, a piece of bedding, and is settled and calm, we want to reward that. But remember that if you are very enthusiastic in your reward, you're going to increase the level of excitement and make the individual less likely to be able to be calm when you're not there. So when they're on their mat, just gently saying well done, maybe delivering food, but if you do that, very tiny pieces delivered onto the mat. Don't give them from your hand because you're likely to increase excitement. So aim for your puppy or your adult dog to be calm and relaxed when you're there so that they will select that behaviour when they're left alone. Of course, the area they're left in must be optimal. It must be able to set them up for success. So a quiet, calm environment where there's a comfortable bed, where there are resources that are essential for them, such as water, toys, maybe some food-related puzzles are available for them. And remember that in your interactions with your dog, if you're confrontational, if you shout or if you raise your voice or if you are seen to be annoyed by your dog, they are less likely to feel comfortable and secure. And if they've already performed a behaviour in your absence when you come home, then there is no benefit from using punishment, and punishment is only going to make the relationship worse. So stay positive, reward calm behaviour in your presence, and start to set your dog up for success when they're left alone.